Welcome back, Nero di Venere channel here. Yes, in a completely different location compared to the I'm usually at, but I am not in Italy. This is a room I'm renting in the UK now, and today this will be just a quick intro because I switch immediately to the studio where I usually work, is Catemon here in Cardiff in the UK, because I want to talk to you about wireless machine today, in particular about this bad guy or bad girl, I don't know how do you want to call that. Is a fluid tattoo machine by Body Supply. Is an Italian supply, is the main supply in Italy, so this is her main product, and they are quite proud of this product, and I want to show you how this product is very good. I use that product for a couple of weeks now, so I can tell you quite good how this work, and how this probably will be my next machine for a very long time. Now switch to the studio. So there we go, cleaning hand, and then I will show you the product with the glove, and I will show you just a quick review now, because I want to show you how this machine is actually working. So at the end of this quick presentation, I will show you a black and gray raven I made on a calf or girl a couple of days ago, so you can clearly see how this machine will work. This is the unpack. As you can see here, this is a fluid machine made by Body Supply, is the main tattoo supply in Italy. So they are quite proud to present this project, because I spoke with one of the guy is part of this project, and they call this is just basically the first release of a big project, and they want to go ahead in this direction, so with wireless machine. When you open the box, you can see two other grips. Those grips are in plastic, is not in aluminum, so I think I will keep for now the aluminum. And you get one extra batteries, is the classical battery I assume for electronic cigarettes anyway, is the 18500 3.7 volt and 2000 amps or 1800 amps, and the charger. So this is what you find in the box. So this is the machine. Basically it's a pen machine, a classical pen machine, but there is no cable, and for me this is a pro I think I'm gonna like a lot, because as you can see I'm a painter, so for me that means drone skin the same way I paint on paper or canvas or whatever it is. This, if you turn the grip, you can get the deep needle adjustment, so it's enough. Turn the grip, and if you unscrew the grip, you can change with other grips. Assume in the future probably you will get the disposable grip. I don't know if it's part of the project. This is just the first release, and there we go. I'm gonna show you how to cover the machine and the workflow or that one. Test cartridges, of course, these cartridges will go in the bin straight away as soon as I finish this demonstration. When you press the on button, the machine turns on, and you get actually a jump start, so the machine is able to run big needle as well with no problem at all. And the two button is for adjust the voltage. You can increase or decrease the voltage 0.1. This is a thing I very like a lot, because you can get a very fine adjustment of the voltage, and of course you can get the correct voltage for your usually workflow. The display will show you the voltage you are using, and then the percentage of battery remaining, and then the last things. It will be how long the machine is running. To change the battery, you have just to unscrew the top. The battery is, as I told you before, probably is the same of electronic cigarettes, so is 18,500 3.7 volt, and this is actually 1800 milliamps. I've used this machine now for 11 hours more or less, and the battery is still 64%. So I mean, probably keep in your mind you are not gonna change the battery every day. On the manual you will see the battery is guaranteed for more or less 8 hours, but it actually depends how is the voltage you are gonna use and run the machine. So for me, I usually use the machine 7.5 to 8 voltage, and the battery drain very slow, so I mean I can use the battery for very long time. Now it's time to start the workflow.